Hey guys, so today I am trying the Mariano's Clicklist. So you order online, you can use your coupons and everything. You can go ahead and save everything to the app, and then you pull up curbside. I'm in spot number 2, and they bring your stuff out to your car. It's amazing. So last week I did the Amazon Prime Whole Foods delivery to our house, which is around $200. But today I actually spent less and got a lot more items. So I'm thinking, I've always loved Mariano's a little bit more than Whole Foods just because of their cost. But I got a lot more items. So I'll do a haul video as soon as I get home. I'm not feeling super great today. The kids have a snow day because we got dumped on overnight. And it's only 32 degrees, but the roads are disgusting. I woke up like feeling horrible. So the sinus thing is like getting worse and worse and worse. But I'm sitting in my car. My back seat's cleaned off. They are gonna bring my stuff out to the car, and then when I get home, I will show you guys what I got. Thanks. All right, so normally you pull up to the parking spots that they have designated for Clicklist. But I called, and because there's so much snow, I think they're just gonna have you pull up right to the door, and they will bring your stuff out to you, which is really cool. So also they give you a phone number to call when you arrive, which makes it super easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my seats down since this was a bigger order. So, and then I'll share my meal prep with you guys this week too, because I'm planning lunches for me and George and the kids, and then also I think I have 3 or 4 dinners planned. So a lot on the plan this week. Excited to share with you guys. Still feeling like total crap. Bye. All right, so I pulled up to the door. You called phone number, and then the ladies bring your stuff out in the cart. It's very sweet of them. It's like having a personal grocery shopper. Don't feel lazy for doing stuff like this. You know what? I felt bad. I got out of the car and I opened the door for them and everything. But they were like, oh, you don't have to get out of the car. You know, she comes out, she swipes your card and everything. And I was like, oh, it's okay. I was already out. Like, I guess I shouldn't feel like this. Like, if they're offering this service, go ahead and use it. But, you know, busy mom of 3. It worked out good today because it's got me out of the house. And, I scheduled the time to pick up the stuff on my way home from CrossFit, but I woke up feeling like total trash today, so I did not go to CrossFit. The husband got up, he got me coffee on the way home. Thank you, babe. And then Anna got picked up by a friend. I was gonna drop her off on the way to pick up the groceries, so that was one less thing to worry about. And then got the groceries. So I'm excited to go home, and I spent $192.99 on probably double the amount of stuff that I got from the Prime order. So way more cost effective to do the click list and just come over and pick it up from Mariano's. I love it. All right, so here I am unpacking my grocery pickup from Mariano's and Clicklist. That was just the long receipt. They attached a magnet just so you have the information for next time you need it. And then they gave me a couple of fresh baked chocolate chip cookies, which I thought was nice. So here I'm just unpacking the bags. I had a couple jugs of the Gold Peak sweet tea, and then the tea lemonade, which everybody likes. And then we've got some non-fat Greek yogurt that's going to be perfect for smoothies or after-school snacks. Some ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese. I have planned, and the ground beef, I have planned for some spaghetti squash, lasagna. And then I've grabbed an extra thing of chicken breast just to make some lunch prep. And I actually ended up making soup, so look for that video also. The sweet Italian sausage was for some sausage and peppers. And then I had some spinach. I think I bought 2 things of spinach to also go with my smoothie prep. And then the kids, I grabbed some strawberry chobani and some blueberry chobani for their lunches and for after school. So they like to just sprinkle granola on top of that and then drizzle with some agave. These dates are actually for homemade sloppy joe. So the potatoes are as well. I do these sloppy joe potatoes. So look for a video for that also coming soon. There's the organic spaghetti squash. I tend to buy things in twos, like I said before. I don't know why. I have like fear of running out instead of fear of missing out. So there was some pineapple or some coconut water lemonade. We ran out of mustard and pasta, so I grabbed a couple of those. Tomato paste. That was for the homemade sloppy joe. I got these wheat crackers that Kaden really likes to snack on, and then the tomato sauce is also for the sloppy joe and for something else I had planned, some chili. I grabbed 2 jars of spaghetti sauce because I had one for sausage and peppers and also one for the spaghetti squash lasagna. A couple things of honey there before the celery. The honey is for smoothies also. The celery is for snacks. So if you check my Instagram, you'll see that I sliced up all the celery, I sliced up, and then I paired them with carrots and either some of that hummus that I showed before, or I made some ranch dip out of some sour cream that we already had. And then these are just a bunch of peppers. Some of the peppers are for a sweet potato hash. Some of them are for sausage and peppers. And then this is my favorite organic bread so far. I buy their bagels also. It's a really good bread, and then the kids don't necessarily love that bread, so I buy them just a honey wheat from Butternut, just for peanut butter and jelly and things. And they actually were off school 3 days this week, so we went through a lot of bread. I actually, at the end of this video, you'll see I did a second haul video because I had to grab more stuff. So I grabbed some fresh fruit, some honeydew, some cantaloupe, some strawberries. Lemons were for some salmon that we had. And then I showed you those carrot chips. I like the carrot chips. Cinnamon grams are for school snacks. And then here is 2 bunches of kale for my sweet potato breakfast hash. And I don't know if I've posted that before this video or after this video. So look for that linked at the end of the video though, okay? I will be sure to tag you guys. And then some fresh pineapple for smoothie prep. So that's it for all that. Hey guys, all right, so I wanted to just throw this in there at the end of my Mariano's video haul. It's Tuesday. I think I picked up the groceries yesterday. I don't even know. But I had to stop in today because our kids' school was canceled yesterday, Monday. That was when I picked up my first order. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. And then they went to school today, but then they're off again tomorrow and Thursday. So I stopped in to grab a few extra things for them. I'll do a little video of that stuff. You guys will notice that a lot of it is sugary stuff because you know what? That's what they're gonna want when they're home, a day off of school. I figured I'd give them a little treat. So I don't always buy perfectly healthy foods. So you're gonna see some sugary cereals. My favorite is the Reese's Puff. And then, sorry, I was walking through the frigid cold. So it's 6 degrees with a wind chill of -13. So we are getting there. It is gonna be freezing. But did a quick video going around the grocery store. I'm gonna make 2 soups. I'm gonna make a chili, and then I'm gonna make my white bean chicken chili, I guess. So I'm gonna make a traditional and then a white bean one. Just to have. I'm gonna throw those in the crock pot when I get home, and look for a video for those probably next week sometime. And that's about it. Stay warm, guys. Alright, so at Mariano's tonight I grabbed some crappy foods. I grabbed some ramen noodles, I grabbed some beans for some chili, and then I bought a bunch of sugary cereals because we got called off school the next 2 days. So I figured the kids would want to have some good stuff around. I grabbed more bread because we already ran out of that first loaf of bread in like 1 day. Rolls for chili and soup. I made 2 chilies actually. Tortilla chips for white chicken chili, bagels just to have for snacks and have on hand, breakfast and whatnot, crackers for chili, more lactose-free milk, and then I grabbed popcorn because we ran out of our giant Costco-sized box, and Caden can't live without it, more peanut butter and jelly, sour cream for white chicken chili, and then crunchy peanut butter because that's what Anastasia likes. Then I got some veggies. I was thinking of putting that in the chili, but I ended up not, so I just have that on hand, I guess. And again, I buy everything in 2s. Great Northern beans for chili, and also green chilies for both. And then I got a couple of drinks, and be sure to check back for those chili recipes.